two different systems.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, man? Were you on the computer?
What's up? Yeah, I moved from the computer to the iPhone real quick.
All right, so the computer doesn't have the. Okay, now we know.
Yeah,
so
guys. So for the meetup, the link to the meetup is myinvestingclub.com/meetup. It's January 29. It has all the nearby hotels. You do not need to be an MIC member to attend. It's going to be at a wide open park in California. California is very strict with vaccine or negative COVID tests. So if you are not negative COVID tested or vaccinated, do not come. If you are coughing and you think it's just fucking bronchitis, don't fucking come. Do not risk anyone else's safety just for your own reasons. So that's the meetup January 29, guys.
This is not our law, guys. This is the city of Los Angeles and California requires any place you go here. It's pretty crazy, man.
They will literally not even let you go anywhere without a negative COVID test. So this way we'll all be safe. Plus we'll all be outside, so it won't be in an enclosed location. Guys, we have a lot of people coming. So it's going to be a lot of fun. This is your chance to meet me. It's your chance to meet Bao. It's your chance to meet the moderators. And hey, maybe you're going to find traders from your local area that want to partner up with you.
And we are having security. From now on, we will have security for everyone's safety because LA's getting crazy, guys. The world is getting crazy, guys. There's all sorts of stuff. So for everybody's safety, from now on, we're having security. Just to let you know, guys.
Yep.
I don't know what they'll do. They'll do a pat down. Don't bring any weapons, guys. Don't bring any fucking weapons. This is not Texas. There is no carry permit crap here. If you have a gun, it means you're a criminal.
And one last thing, guys. One last thing before I get Bao started is this year for Christmas, we're not discounting the annual. We're not bringing on the monthly members. The only thing we're doing for this Christmas is doing a discounted lifetime membership. As the community, as we continue to grow the community, we want to focus more on quality rather than quantity. So we're not just looking to bring on random members anymore. Right now, at this very point, because the market is heating up, we only want lifetime members. So you could email Tosh at myinvestingclub.com. You could text him 213-458-5997, and he'll work on a deal for you guys.
Yep. What's up with the webinar? Is that still up and running?
Yeah, we have the webinar running, guys. So you guys can watch that too. It's at myinvestingclub.co. So that's for brand new people that are curious about trading or want to get into trading. But I mean, guys, if you've been watching our YouTube videos for a year now, if you've been seeing the P&Ls every single day for years now, if you've been seeing Bao's charts for a year now, I mean, after a certain point, you got to ask yourself, am I even this serious, you know?
Yeah, I was giving a little hint. I think you watched the webinar, guys, but guys are not in my seat. If you watch that webinar, there's a little secret at the end, guys. So
yep.
I think it's still there, right?
Yep. So yeah.
So those that are dedicated, hey, thanks, Alex, coming on.
Yep. Good luck today.
All right, guys. So yeah, the holidays coming up, guys. We have all this stuff. So stay tuned to the end of. If you stay till the end of this IG live, I might do something for you guys in terms of the annual discount. So, you know, I feel a little generous today, but that's for the guys that watch till the end. So and who knows? Hey, we have 268 people now. I guess everyone's late, so maybe it's good, guys. So once again, guys, sign up. We may have a maximum capacity, right, Alex, at this place. So first come, first serve on whoever signs up. Why don't you tweet it out, Alex, and I will retweet as well. So you have to sign up, guys. Put your real name, your information onto the meetup because I think we're going to get so many people where we're maximum capacity. So sign up early. This is why we're telling you guys a month in advance for the meetup. We haven't done a meetup in such a long time because of the pandemic. This is the time to go. Where can you meet freaking other traders around the world, guys? People are flying in around the world to come to this meetup because, to be honest, this is very rare during the pandemic, and so we had to find a space which is outdoors, guys. So it's going to be limited. So first come, first serve. Whoever signs up, we will have a security guy checking names and COVID. It's just stupid, guys. This is just not me. This is the law. The last thing I need is for a police guy to show up and ask us, where's your COVID card, stuff like that, guys. So we're not gonna have alcohol ongoing anymore. I think that's a good rule. There's a lot of stupid shit that goes on. and you know, we want to keep everybody safe, guys. So, all right, let's start with the topic real quick, guys. How can you tell a stock's manipulated? I mean, this is a question I get all the time. Okay, so I'm going to tell you something. I'll give you a little secret, guys. So all these stocks that move up, it's not natural. I mean, it's obvious. Small caps have lower floats. These companies normally do not make money. The way that they survive, because most of these are emerging companies, they are startups or whatever it may be, small caps. They cannot get real funding. So what they do is this. They may be a research company that needs funding to do a phase 1 trial, et cetera, et cetera. What they do is they sell their stock. And that's the reason why they manipulate the stock, guys. The reason why they manipulate the stock is to get a price point where they can do financing. Other words are offerings. That's what they do. They sell paper. They sell their company paper so they can survive, so that they can pay their employees, so that they can do have money to do research, things like that. And so, how can you tell a stock's manipulated? I'm going to tell you right now. When stocks do not usually go like this, okay? I'm going to show you. This is not a normal freaking type of chart. Walk up, boom. Trap, 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 trap. Boom, spikes up, traps the longs, blew out the shorts, walks all the way down. This is not natural. How can you tell if a stock's being manipulated? Here's a secret, guys. They're all fucking being manipulated. They're all being fucking manipulated. If it's a small cap and these are companies that make, let's see how much BFRI makes, guys. I'll show you how you find out. Okay, I will show you. I really don't know. So I'm going to look at the filings. There's many ways to look at the filings at BAM SEC. You type in BFRI, and then you look at the latest 10Q, and then you can read this and see what the fuck they're making. These are unaudited numbers. Unaudited. Who knows their rate or real rate? In thousands. 3 months ending. Total revenues. Well, that's not bad. 4 million. You know, total loss, 16 million. They're fucking losing 12 million every fucking 3 months. Every 3 months, they're losing money. So what do they do? How do they survive? I really don't know how they survive. Oh my God, look at all these offerings. Holy shit. All they're doing is offering. New securities, S1. How many shares is this S1? 40 freaking million, 45 million shares. Holy cow. Wow, is this manipulated? I don't know. You tell me. So what I hate the most are these guru experts. Whenever they lose, they get, this stock's manipulated. No shit. But when you win, when you make money, you're like, I'm the best. Why are you able to make money? Because they're manipulated. The fact that a stock is manipulated means that it is rigged. If something is rigged, you can play it and participate. It's not random. This is why we trade small caps. We trade small caps because the ending is the same. We know exactly what is going to happen. The difference is we don't know when it's going to happen. In trading, timing the most important factor. Okay? You can be correct that the stock is a piece of crap. They're selling paper. They're about to do an offering, but you will get blown out before it gets there. So let me take a look at BFRI, for instance. I'm just looking this up now, guys, just to show you, okay? Look at this stock. This is BFRI. They walked this thing from $4.50, holy cow, to $14. And then when you lose, you cry about manipulation? But when you make money going long on it, you don't cry about manipulation, guys, right, guys? So the key is this. Let me take a look at, okay, there's a book, Momo Traders, guys. I was in that book. You can look it up. And one of the taglines is, the moment I realized that every stock is a scam is the moment I started making money. Okay, guys? All these stocks, they're in the business, all the small caps, right, guys, are in the business of selling paper. How else can I make it? How do you survive? If you had a business losing 16 million, if you had a business losing $16 million every 3 months, how the hell do you survive? How do you survive, guys? Let me take a look at this. Oh my God, look at this. Okay, I'm gonna look again. There's another site called Flash SEC. I'm gonna give you a little hint. They have negative working capital. Their assets are lower than their liabilities. It's just, I just looked this up, guys. You want, let me see. It says it right here, man. You go to the 10Q. Once again, you go down here. Total liabilities, deficit, 15 million every 3 months. BFR, screaming short. You blow up. That's the thing, guys. So every stock's manipulated. So with trading, it's all about timing. Timing is the most critical thing in trading. You could be right, but be early and lose all your money before you even been proven right later on, guys, right? So don't scream about manipulation. Love the manipulation. Embrace the manipulation. I love the fact that our stock's manipulated. The way I lose, if you lose, it's because you have bad timing. You're way too early. A lot of the guys, when you start trading, the first thing you usually look at is charts. And if you're a new trader, all you see is charts. And so you're using the charts and, oh, this is the resistance. And so you get blown away because you're like, what the hell? How can a stock go from $4 to $10? How can it go from $4 to $10? Because I'm a technical analysis guy. I put all my money at this huge resistance. This should never blown up this much, right, guys? Then you blow up. Or you're a pure fundamentals guy, and you look up the finals like I did, and you see, oh my God, this company has no money. How can they pay their staff? They're diluting. They are doing offerings. They're selling paper to survive. I must short my entire life savings. Next you know, you short this thing at $5, it's $10. You blew up. You lost your entire life savings, right, guys? So the key is this. There's the best way to trade. There's a front side and the back side. We talk about this all the time. Alex is very, very disciplined at not trading the front side. I get bored. I step into landmines because I don't have the discipline Alex has, right, guys? And so the key difference is this. You can make your money very safely, but it's boring. Making money is boring, guys. Every day Alex wakes up, he makes $4,000, $5,000. It's hella boring, man. But would you like to be bored and make $4,000 or $5,000 every fucking day? Or even make $200 bored every day, guys? You can do it. You can do it. When you realize that every stock is a manipulated stock, it's up to you to correctly find the timing. And the timing is this. If you are a long bias trader, you want to trade on the upside. When stocks are on the uptrend, when shorts are being squeezed, uptrend, you buy. And you don't chase a breakout. You buy off of dip. Every dip that goes up, down, you buy. Just like yesterday, I posted a ton of things on SOPA. I went long yesterday on SOPA. I posted it all over Twitter. You can see how it is. So yesterday, SOPA was an uptrending stock. Let me show you that. This is SOPA. All the way up. So every dip I was buying until the trend reversed. End of the day, I don't touch the end of the day, I'm done. So today is a downtrending SOPA, and I shorted it. So let's take a look at the SOPA short. I got a hell early, obviously, but the same thing. So I shorted, I waited. Let me zoom back out. I don't need to be the hero. I don't know if this thing's going to go to $100 or not. This is the view up. I waited for a breakdown, then the bounce back. So the moment it bounced, I shorted every pop. And I covered all the way down to the bottom. And then it zombied. But it zombied at the $13 line, which is the whole number resistance. I shorted a bunch there, and I covered down to do the IG live. So yesterday was a long on SOPA. Today is a short. It's as simple as that, guys. It's not easy, but it's simple. Okay? Do not fight the fucking trend. If you're a long bias trader, you should be trading day one stocks, not day two fucking stocks. If you're a short seller, trade day two stocks. Day two when the trend is broken is when you short. When you're a long bias trader, make sure the trend goes up. Okay? Don't buy the breakout. Buy at the support. Because why? These are manipulated stocks, guys. And as a manipulator, you think to yourself, how do they manipulate? They manipulate based upon charting as well. And so if a stock is random, we call that I call that non-conforming. It does not conform to the chart. Therefore, it's unpredictable. When a stock is unpredictable, don't trade it. If you lose a few times because it's supposed to go down at this major resistance, but it traps. It keeps trapping all day. Those are the stocks that are dangerous. But you look at the VWAP, you see the trend, you draw the trend lines, we call them lines, and you see is it deviated from how far the VWAP. VWAP is very important, in my opinion, to determine which side, longs or shorts, are trapped and who has the power. Yesterday, SOPA, the VWAP was around $9.50, $9.90, okay? And it went all the way up to 13 bucks. So it's a $4, $3 deviation from VWAP. It means this. Always put yourself in the shoes of the guy that is trapped. First, you have to ask yourself, who is trapped? How you can tell someone's trapped? You can tell someone's trapped by looking at VWAP. How far up and down something's from VWAP, okay? The more deviated it is, the more trapped that other side is. If it's hovering VWAP, we don't know it's going to go up or down. It's a 50-50 coin toss. It depends on the volume and supply and demand. Okay, and so yesterday SOPA was so deviated. When I see a deviated stock like that, where it's so over VWAP yesterday on SOPA was in the $9 and it hit 13. So every single dip I was buying because you know what, man, every dip, bag holders. There's bag holders on the long side. There's bag holders on the short side. Bag holders. So yesterday SOPA longs were in control. So when longs are in control, and it's way deviated, what do? Why are you shorting it, right? So you're buying every single dip, and which is that support line, and you're flipping it. So yesterday, take a look at my charts. I did very well going long on that because every dip, shorts were dying to get out. And today, every bounce, shorts were dying to every bounce, longs were trying to get out because they were stuck from yesterday too. So we have one major push, which is the zombie roll. 10:30. It started zombie at 10:30. So I waited. I covered all the way down here. I waited for the zombie. Then I started to wait until the top, and then the 13 line I saw refresh, and I hit it. So you can use the zombie roll with a couple things to get the hell out of a short position before it's zombies. Or if you're a long bias trader, use that to make money. Go long that stock. We have people long that stock at 10:30. They're making money. So what I did was I waited. I was like, okay, please zombie. Because when it zombied up, it went so fast, parabolic, that I knew that, hey, man, I'm taking a chance that it may go down. But if you're a new trader, don't do that. Just make your money and get the hell out. Just make your money and get the hell out. Make your money and get the hell out. Keep it simple as possible. If you're a long bias trader, day ones. Avoid day two. Fuck the day two. Fuck the day threes. Day one. Look for deviated stocks. Day one. Sometimes it may not come. So when things don't come and you're a long bias trader, why aren't you learning a new strategy? Okay? The first step is to learn one strategy, be proficient at it, but start to learn more strategies. It's like a boxer. He practices one punch all the time. And he's waiting for that one punch. Eventually, that one punch may not be effective because people are expecting that one punch. You know, you have to have a full arsenal. So if you take a look at all the top guys, they're able to go long, they're able to go short, they're able to read these. Because to make a good, if you want to be a good long bias trader, you need to understand how the shorts are thinking. If you're a short bias trader, you need to understand how the longs are thinking. And so anticipating your opponent. You know, if you're a boxer, for instance, and you're fighting a southpaw, which is a left-handed guy versus a right-handed guy, you know, you should have trained that. Because if you're an expert on fighting right-handed guys and a left-handed guy comes in, you're getting knocked out. Same thing with being a long and a short. You need to understand how the other guy is trading. And once again, I'm not trading IBM. Who the fuck knows what IBM is going to do? IBM is above my pay grade. It's being manipulated. Every stock's manipulated, guys. When you have analysts involved doing upgrades, downgrades, every single stock's manipulated. The Federal Reserve is manipulating. They're buying stocks. They're buying bonds. They're buying company bonds. They're fucking with the interest rate. Everything in America, everything in life is manipulation. Stop fucking complaining about manipulation. You are manipulating other people. Okay? As an American, you're manipulating someone to do your gardening work. You're hiring an immigrant in cash, below minimum wage, to clean your house, to fucking work in the field, to do gardening, whatever it may be. Everybody is a manipulator in some way or fashion, right? I manipulated you guys to come and join me to watch this because I manipulated you by telling you that, hey, I will teach you how to trade stocks. I manipulate by telling you how you can spot manipulation. Everything, don't think of it, not every manipulation is bad, guys, okay? You have a bad term, but the thing is, you have to understand everything is a manipulation. The government's manipulating us with COVID. Everybody's being manipulated. So stop crying about manipulation and realize that, hey, if something's manipulated, it means it's rigged. If it's rigged, you want to be on the right side of the right side of the manipulation. Oh my God, if someone tells me, hey, this fucking shit is manipulated, it keeps going up. I keep shorting, but it keeps going up. You see how stupid that guy is? He knows it's being manipulated, but yet he's going opposite. He's fighting the trend. Go with the fucking trend, dude. Stop crying. Something's manipulated. Why the fuck are you trying to battle the manipulator? Go with the fucking flow and figure out how to manipulate the manipulator. Okay? Because the manipulator is going to spike a stock up. So why don't you wait for the outer lines to get in? So the first thing you got to do is stop your fucking crying, guys, and embrace the manipulation. We are not the manipulators. But why not take an advantage? The government is manipulating. So why not take advantage of that, right, guys? So, and there are people taking advantage of the government every fucking day. Welfare, whatever it may be, unemployment. You know, we are not just don't do things that are illegal. Work within the system. You have all these Democrats screaming about Elon Musk not paying enough taxes. He's paying $11 billion in taxes, the biggest tax in life, in the history of mankind. He's just laughing to bank. He pays his taxes, but he uses the stocks are being manipulated all the way up. So the reason he's able to pay $11 billion because Tesla went off the roof. So he's using so stop crying with the manipulation. You know, the Democrats are manipulating. Republicans are manipulating. Everybody's manipulating. Okay, so there's your fucking $1 million advice right there. $1 billion advice, guys. Everything is the manipulation. The sooner you figure out what that manipulation is, what that rigging is, be on that same side, you will make money. And this is why we always say, do not fight the trend. Do not fight the trend. Trend is your friend. And it's very hard as a human being, guys. So when I started trading, when I first started trading, I always looked for stocks that were on sale. Like, dude, the stock's too high. And then I'm like looking for shit on sale. Then I realized, what the fuck? The stock that are expensive keeps going up. And the stocks that are on sale keep going down. So then I finally realized it's counterintuitive. People want a good deal, but you want a good deal on a good stock if you want to go long. I'll give you an example. Like Alex is totally into shoes. Holy crap. He's buying shoes for $5,000, $8,000. Some of these shoes are $50,000, $100,000. Limited Air Jordans, fucking Off-White, whatever the hell it may be. And here I am trying to buy the cheapest fucking Nikes on earth and wonder why my Nikes are not worth nothing. So you find the hottest hyped up asset, could be the stock. Doesn't mean you pay the top price for that shoe. Doesn't mean you pay the top price for that BFRI stock. What you do is you wait. You identify the hot assets that you want to buy. Then you wait for a dip. The trend is still up on those things. Those Off-White shoes are even better now because rest in peace, Virtual, the guy that did the Off-White, he's dead. May he rest in peace. So now those are even worth a lot more money because they're limited. He doesn't design them anymore, right, guys? So doesn't mean that you stop buying the hot assets. You just wait for the dip within that asset class. And so same thing with a manipulated stock. If you want to trade long, do not pick a dead stock that keeps getting lower. You pick a hot stock day one that's being manipulated. Still being manipulated because the manipulator will move the stock up for you. You're not the guy who's buying millions of shares. He is. And so you wait for the dip. Doesn't mean that you're buying a weak stock. You are buying on a dip of a strong stock that's trending up. Same thing on the inverse side with short selling. Wait for the manipulator to be done. Then there's no one supporting the stock anymore, guys. So there it is. Any questions? I'll take some questions and we'll call it a day. These are the things we teach about every day in chat, guys. I'll do you something. Type in the word manipulator to Tosh. Tosh, text everybody your number. I'll do this, okay? The first 5 people, guys, since we have almost 300 people now, the first 5 will get 50% off their annual. Don't tell Alex. So whatever the listed prices, top 5 only, guys. Top 5 only. Maybe top 3. I don't know. I will let Tosh decide if he's feeling generous or not. So text Tosh manipulation or manipulator, or I want to be manipulated. Manipulation is good, guys. Embrace the manipulation. We are not the manipulators. But why are you not taking advantage? And so when you hear people cry about manipulation, oh my God, guys. I love it. So when I lose, guys, on a manipulated stock, I don't cry. I just know that I was in too early. It's bad timing. But I know the end result's the same thing. Same thing in BFR. Oh my God, dude, I'm crying. I'm fucking crying. It's like, I just can't do it. I just can't fucking fill up at $14. But when it goes down, like, dude, I wanted to hold. I had a nice short position. I got squeezed out of it. Took my loss. I'm like, dude, should I hold it? You know, who knows? But those are the things. It was the wrong timing. Totally wrong timing on that stock. As simple as that, guys. So, Tosh, where's your number? Text him. So you text Tosh manipulation, and he may help you out on a big discount, guys. Any other questions, guys? What's your number, Tosh? I keep forgetting your number. You can go to the website, guys. Just simple as that, guys. Go to our website. Go to our Instagram account, My Investing Club. On the I don't even need to memorize the number. It's the number for Tosh right there, guys. That's it, guys. So embrace the manipulation. There's your answer. Every stock's manipulated. If a stock's not manipulated, it's random. You have no idea what's going on. Okay, we make money off of manipulated stocks. This is why Alex can be green every day, 90% of the year, because of the manipulation, guys. Okay, guys. And so embrace the fucking manipulation. Anybody complains about manipulation, they are a furu. They don't know what the fuck they're doing. They're just trying because they're fucking losing money. Okay, guys. I don't cry when I lose money. I realize that I'm the guy that fucked up. I was in too early. So you learn from each mistake you do, guys. All right, guys. We'll see you on the other side. Don't get mad about the manipulation. Be mad about the manipulator. If you find someone manipulating, then you know they're gonna go to jail later. But just it's okay to participate as long as you're not the guy that's rigging the system. All right, guys. See ya.